And after shares of GameStop surged earlier this week, interest in investing has gone up. Local 23's Jeremiah Wilcox is putting local first tonight with the details you need to know before jumping into the market.
The time to invest is when you have the money available.
Humphrey Thomas has always been smart with his money and turned it into a career.
Intimidated with that, and they lag behind. They missed out opportunities to create wealth in their estate, in their family. And so I found it to be very gratifying for me is to help one family, and the family then to see the big light.
He is the CEO and founder of H.G. Thomas Wealth Management Company here in the Valley. He tells me beginner investors should focus on two types of investments.
ETFs, which stands for Exchange Traded Funds, which is similar to as mutual funds. But basically the concept is that you pulling money together with other investors, and your investments can be as low as $25 a month systematically that you can put away. And that way, with that $25, you have participation in a pool of, let's say, 500 to 700 stocks.
This Wednesday, GameStop was on everyone's mind after their stock price rose astronomically. But before you attempt to become a trader, Thomas has some advice.
What are you investing for? Just for the fun? Just you want the thrill? Or are you investing because you want to save money to buy a boat, in a couple of years from now? Or are you investing for your retirement?
He says investing isn't about the now, but the future.
The younger investors, they're not, look how we are today. We're not happy if our page don't load up fast enough.
Economist Teo Sepulveda says what happened to GameStop isn't normal.
Very limited to what happened this week because a social media group figured out that there were a large amount of investors that, for whatever the reason is, they made the promise to buy the stock this week at any price.
And the future of the company is grim.
Because they have to figure out a service or a product that they can quickly develop so that the company can start increasing its profitability in the next couple of years, which sounds very unlikely, but it would be nice for them if they could.
In the world of investing, patience goes a long way. Putting local first in Harlingen, I'm Jeremiah Wilcox.
Thomas adds you should meet with a financial advisor before making investments. For people wanting to use apps, he says don't invest money you can't live without.